QB, we will discuss the economics in power system generation. Hi, the introduction. Most of power generation plant objective is to produce electricity at a minimum cost and maintain the necessary load demand requirement. The power to be delivered to the loads were based on some constraints. Economic power generation means that generator's power output varies its limit to meet a particular load demand with minimum fuel cost. We have here the process diagram. So that we can produce the required amount of power with a minimum cost. For formulating the dispatch problem, fuel costs are usually represented as a quadratic function of output power, as shown below. So we have a quadratic equation. If subscript I is equals to lambda subscript I plus the beta subscript I, b subscript I plus gamma subscript I multiplied by the p subscript I squared. So what does this mean? So we need to calculate the cost, the minimum cost, using this equation. So we have using the Lagrange multiplier, which is the lambda, and finding the phi, which is the balance of the difference of the loads of the actual load in the total generated by the units of generator. To augment the constant using the Lagrange multiplier, we can see the formula below. So that is the Lagrange equals to the f sub t, total cost, plus the lambda, which is the subscript multiplier of the Lagrange multiplier, times the total demand minus the sigma from the unit 1 to numbers of unit of generators, multiply the power of each generators. The important condition for the value of the objective function, the first derivatives of the Lagrange function with respect to the independent variables, and set the derivatives to 0. What is meant by this? So we need to take the partial derivatives of the total cost with respect to the power minus the multiplier, which is the lambda, is equals to equal to 0 to optimize. This is meaning this is to optimize. Now, we have some inequalities that must be satisfied for each of the units. That is, the power output of each unit must be greater than or equal to the minimum power permitted, and must also be less than or equal to the maximum power permitted. So this is very obvious that your maximum usage of the power generation is not to exceed your limitation, because some generator, it might not be work properly when this is running at a very minimum speed or minimum RPM or minimum output, and it's not also efficiently working when it is above its very efficient maximum capacity. So this is the meaning for this.